This tutorial will cover standard reports in QC Cloud that you should run daily, weekly, or monthly to help you monitor your club's progress. The simplest way to see charts, graphs, and numbers regarding how your club is doing is to visit your dashboard. To get started, click QuikCheK at the top, then click the dashboard link on the left. The first screen will show you how many active members you have, how many add-ons you have, how many total memberships you have, and the total number of new members this month. Let's take a look at the membership graphs to see a breakdown of these numbers. The first graph will show you the total number of active members. The second graph will show you the total number of memberships, broken down by activity. The next graph will show you how many members are expiring this month. The next bar graph will show how many new memberships you had each month this year, and it will be broken down by activity. The final bar graph will show you the same membership breakdown, but for last year. Viewing these two bar graphs on a monthly basis will help you set goals to maintain growth and surpass last year's numbers. The next set of graphs are the attendance graphs. The first two graphs will show you how many people checked in today and this week. Further down, you will see attendance graphs that show a month-by-month breakdown of total check-ins for this year and last year. The next set of graphs are your point-of-sale graphs. You will see income this week compared to income last week. As you scroll down, you'll see income this month compared to last month. Further down, you'll see point-of-sale income this year compared to last year. Below those graphs, you'll see similar graphs that will show which employees have the highest sales for the week, month, and year. The final graphs, at the bottom of the screen, will show your point-of-sale income totals, broken down month by month for this year and last year, sorted by point-of-sale category. If you would like to print a chart, click the three lines in the top right of the graph you would like to print, then click Print Chart. You should visit your dashboard on a weekly and monthly basis to monitor your club's progress. Be sure to take a quick peek at the numbers to verify you're on the right track. The next video will show you reports that will list similar information to what you see on the dashboard, but in a standard report format. Thank you for using QC Cloud.